Hello. There we go. Taste test video. Taste test video today. We have Haribo watermelon. I don't have the drink with me. I'm gonna get that in a second. But it smells like, kind of smells like cleaner. But we'll see what we're working with. It's way more green and red, and you know, when it's not in this lighting. There we go, that's a little better. It looks kind of orange with that light. I don't love watermelon flavored things, but I wanted some peaches when I went to the dog. I wanted some more peach ones, which I liked. So I was like, I'm gonna pick up the watermelon. But normally I'm not a huge fan. I think it's fine normally, you know, it can be good, but let's find out what the watermelon Haribos are about. They kind of taste like watermelon. They also kind of taste like Band-Aid. Like, it's like they kind of have the texture of almost peep, but less marshmallow, more gummy, obviously. They're okay. 4 pieces is a serving, by the way. Yeah. It kind of tastes like Band-Aid. Kind of whatever. Kind of like barely watermelon. So maybe like a low 5 out of 10. Like it's edible. It doesn't taste like much. Like a 4.8. Let's take a break. I'm gonna get something from the fridge. More video. Yeah, those aren't very good. Haribo watermelon, like a solid, a strong 4 out of 10. But now we got Welch's sparkling pineapple soda. That reminds me of medicine I had when I was a kid, when I was a wee lad. It smells like, it almost smells like this medicine I took for like my teeth. Hold on, I gotta sneeze. Let's see what it tastes like though. It smells like medicine. Doesn't taste much better than it smells. It's like It's not super cold. I put it in the fridge like maybe 30 minutes ago. It didn't get very cold, but that doesn't help it. So maybe like a 5. It kind of tastes like pineapple. It's not very carbonated. It's kind of just a juice. It has a little bit to it. I'm thinking like a 5, 5.2 out of 10, maybe. Now, hot ones, Los Calientes, hot chip Pringles. Add it to my collection up there. What did that bird taste like? What even was that? It was like salad. They smell like hot Pringles. This top one has like no dust on it. It's supposed to be hot. Mmm. This is like, flavor-wise, actually packs a punch of flavor, unlike these things, other things I've had in this video. It is spicy. I'm not the best guy with like super spice, you know. This is enough to, you know, I eat 5 or 6 of these in a row, I'll probably start sweating. I like spicy stuff. I like Takis. I like, you know, jalapenos on my sandwiches, my Subway sandwiches. But I like a bit of punch. So the spice level on these for me is like, for the amount of stuff I've had, you know, comparatively, this is probably like a 6 or 7 spice. Maybe 6. No, yeah, like 7. They taste pretty good though. The taste level, the flavor is like a 7.6, 7.5, 7.6 on flavor level. Spice is like a high 6, just to, you know, more than. Why did I drink this now? I bought it and paid for it. That's what happens when you buy things. You pay for them. But I gotta drink it because I paid for it. Haribo watermelon, no go. Let's just do recommend here. Recommended, yes. No. Maybe if you like a tamer pineapple Fanta. I like pineapple Fanta because it has a bit of a zing to it. This one is a little tamed down, more juicy than carbonated, but that's just a person to person thing. I would get these again. Well, probably not, but because I get the can, and you know, that's all I need for the collection. Up there, I probably wouldn't get the watermelon ones again. Not good. Not very good. They don't really taste like much of anything. Like I said, Band-Aid. I do recommend. I had these one time. I got them for Christmas. and I thought they were pretty good flavor-wise. So, I preferred those ones. I had the trolley rings, the peach rings. Those ones are just like, you know, peach ovals. I like those ones more. The trolley ones tasted kind of weird. Yeah, that's what I got for the video. Just an okay video, or not video, okay stuff we got here. But I'm gonna eat these chips, I think, eat some of them, and watch some YouTube before I go to sleep. So, see you next time.